Okay, electric toothbrush. So in the recent Realme event, I believe the Realme N1 electric toothbrush is the most underrated of all the product launches. It has features like 2-minute timer, 130 days of battery life, and Type-C charging, not to forget 20,000 strokes per minute. As someone who has been using electric toothbrush for a while now, I find these features quite amazing. Here's why. But before that, I know most of you are wondering, a regular toothbrush costs not more than 50 rupees, while a decent electric toothbrush starts at 500 rupees, almost 10 times the difference. So the question has to be asked, why should you pick an electric toothbrush? Well, there are many reasons to pick an electric toothbrush. For one, they are fun, they require less effort, and most importantly, they do better cleaning. For example, when you are manually brushing your teeth, most people tend to do it less than 2 minutes. But with an electric toothbrush, you have a 2-minute timer, so it makes sure that you don't under or over brush your teeth. Again, with manual toothbrush, you get around 300 strokes per minute, but with an electric toothbrush, you get 10,000 stroke or even 20,000 stroke. For example, with this Realme N1, you get 20,000 stroke per minute, which is quite crazy. And finally, it has been proven that with electric toothbrush, you get less germs and cavity. Overall, I have been using electric toothbrush for a while now, and I highly believe it's something that everyone should give it a try. If you think about it, it costs as little as 500 rupees, which is equivalent to just one McDonald's meal or a CCTV coffee with your date. Moreover, it has a significant improvement in your quality of life with just one-time payment. So, with that out of the way, here are my thoughts on this Realme N1 toothbrush and why I think it deserves more attention. Okay, first off is the design. I know, it looks bulky compared to the Mi electric toothbrush, but if you think about it, it packs 5 times more battery compared to this one. Although it would easily fit in most of the toiletry bags, but still I would prefer Realme N1 to be a bit slimmer like my Colgate electric toothbrush, but then you have to make space to hold batteries, which brings us to our next reason. The second thing I like about this Realme N1 toothbrush is the rechargeable battery, which can be charged with Type-C port. So even if you're traveling, you can easily charge it within few minutes using the Type-C cable. The Mi T100, which comes at the same price, has micro USB, while other electric toothbrush use 2 AA batteries. And not just that, it is equipped with 800 mAh of battery, which promises to last 130 days. Now, I still haven't tested this claim of 130 days, but from the looks of it, it's pretty cool. This is quite a big deal. The Mi T100 that Kaushik uses lasts only 30 days on a single charge, and I've been using the Colgate electric toothbrush which I bought for 900 bucks, and then I have to spend 500 rupees extra to get the rechargeable Duracell battery, since the regular battery doesn't even last a few weeks. So it's very important to have rechargeable battery in toothbrush. Also, don't forget to check out our giveaway on Instagram. We are giving out brand new OnePlus TV, OnePlus Buds and Mi Band 5. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Go ahead and check it out. Now, back to the video. The third reason I like the Realme N1 toothbrush is the tech. And with tech, I don't mean the usual features like Realme Link app, which is quite unnecessary for an electric toothbrush, or even the 2-minute timer or 3 cleaning mode. Pretty much all electric toothbrush these days have this feature. Although they are useful, they have it. However, with tech, I mean this blue strip that you see in the brush head. It's quite innovative in my opinion. What I really like about the blue strip is the brush head that goes white with time, thus letting you know that it's time to change the bristles. Now this is important because we humans are quite lazy and need an external nudge to do most of the stuff. For example, I know I should be changing the brush head of my Colgate electric toothbrush, but since I don't see any color change, I'm too lazy to do it. On the other hand, the blue color on this Realme electric toothbrush changes to white, which forced me to change the brush head, and that's something that's really cool and innovative. Finally, the fourth reason I prefer this Realme N1 toothbrush is the noise level. Now, it has 20,000 brush strokes per minute, which is quite a deal for the price if you think about it. But even after that, the vibrational motor is noise free. When you wake up in the morning, you don't like something which is loud around you. So it's important for your brush to be silent. And I hate my Colgate for the same reason. Here, listen to this side by side with Realme. Yeah, it's just too loud. Overall, I like the Realme N1 toothbrush. It's priced quite well for the features, and even though the Meaty 100 is priced lower, but I like this one because it has better tech, better battery life, and Type-C port, not to forget a better vibrational motor which is silent. The only con I can think about in electric toothbrush is the price, and if you think it's too big of an investment for you as of now, you can always keep it in your bucket list. Either way, I recommend electric toothbrush to everyone. It's something that I've recommended to Team TW, including Kaushik, Vaibhav and Pratik, and they seem to like the experience. I hope they are not saying it to please me. Anyway, do give electric toothbrush a try and see if it's worth the price for you or not. Also, while you are at it, or if you are someone who has already used an electric toothbrush, I'm curious to know your thoughts. Do you think it's overrated or something that's totally worth the money? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. At the end of the day, make sure you brush your teeth with fluoride toothpaste for 2 minutes twice a day. Thanks for watching. It's Mina signing off.